Okay, here's a video I just made of a slow-mo video of a couple of balls bouncing. Let's watch. So that was a ping pong ball. Now we're going to watch a yellow super ball. Notice that each time the ball bounces, it bounces a little less high, a little lower than the bounce before it. So this is the bounce, we call this decaying. Now the question we have before us is, are the heights of the successive bounces proportional? In other words, does it bounce the same amount less high each time? So I'm going to slow down the video again, and we're going to take a look at what the height of each ball is. So let's just look at the original height of the ping pong ball. So we'll take a screenshot and we'll look at this up close and personal. Now if we look right here, you can see that the ball itself is right at 53 centimeters. Okay? Now, remember that, 53 centimeters. Now, if we play the video, the ball comes up as high as that, and the highest point, if we look at that and take a screenshot, we'll see that the ball is right at 40. So what does that mean? 40 centimeters. Let's figure out the percent of the original height that the second bounce is. Okay? So to do that, we're going to divide 40 by 53, the original height of the ball. Multiply by 100 because we want a percentage. And what is that? Well, if we do the math, that actually turns out to be 75%, or 3/4. In other words, the height that the ball bounced back up is 75% of the original height that the ball was when it was first dropped. Okay? All right, now the question is, in the next bounce, do you think the proportion stays the same? Well, let's just take a look. All right, so here's the video, and let's take a look at the next bounce. The next bounce goes up as high as that, right there, okay? So, let's take a closer look at that, and voila. If we take a look at that, we're going to see that our ball now is 30 centimeters. So now it's 30 centimeters, and right before this, the height of the ball, the highest point, was 40 centimeters. Well, let's do the same thing. We multiply by 100. What does that equal? 75%. Do you think this will hold for the next time? I don't know. Let's try again. Ready? Okay, let's do this. Delete that screenshot. We've got this video back, and there it goes down for the third time up, and it goes to about that height right there. Okay, let's enlarge it a little bit. Take a screenshot. Let's take a look at the screenshot where we can write, and let's enlarge that. Let's see where that ball is. It is 2.5 above 20, so that would be 22.5. And what was the number right above that, the last bounce? It was at 30. Okay, so let's multiply this by 100. And what does that equal? Take a guess. 75%. So no matter what height a ball bounces from, it seems like the decay of the bounce is proportional each time. So this ping pong ball, its next bounce decays by 75%, or 3/4 of the bounce of the last bounce. Cool, huh?